4 seasons. How many seasons? Tell me children. There are 4 seasons divided in Europe continent. There are 4 climatic seasons are divided into Europe continent. Winter, spring, summer, autumn. What are the important seasons of Europe continent? Winter, spring, summer and autumn. There are 4 important seasons of the Europe continent. Here in winter is very cold and also climate is very pleasant. Pleasant climate it is in winter season. In winter season the farmers will not be able to grow any type of in the crops. In the spring season, I have to come into the spring season in Europe continent, March, April, the 2 months are have to come into the spring season. Then that time the farmers will be started into the crop seasons. They are to grow different type of in the crops in southern Europe like wheat, rye, barley and sugar beet, oats, etc. What are the important crops are produced in Europe continent? Wheat, rye, barley, corn, sweet potato, sweet beetroot and oats are the most important crops of the southern Europe. And especially around the Mediterranean Sea, plentiful fruits are grown here. Here in Mediterranean region, farmers for different type of the fruits like apples, grapes. Grapes are used here in France to making into the wine. The grapes are also very quickly ripen in Europe continent because the Mediterranean type of climate mostly influenced the is southern part of the Europe continent. Next one, discoveries of sea routes. In 1453 AD, Constantinople occupied by the Turks. Constantinople it is the middle city of to travel Asia and Europe to Africa. If you are must be have to touch the Constantinople. The Constantinople occupied by the Turkish Empire, automatically traders are faced a lot of problems. Entire trade activity to collapse in Europe continent. So many navigators, so many sailors sail on the sea to discover sea routes of the different continent countries. For example, Christopher Columbus, Italian traveler, in 1492 AD to sail on the Atlantic Ocean in western direction. He was reached the islands, but his aim is to discover the sea route of India. But he is not discovered. He was discovered new island. So he is given to the name of West Indies. So Christopher Columbus to sail on the western coast after so many traders to sail on the same sea routes to reach the North America and South America continents, countries to trade activities. Another sailor, Vasco da Gama. Atlantic Ocean. In eastern direction, he reached the Africa continent at Cape of Good Hope, and he again had to sail on the Indian Ocean. He reached the Somalia and again had to travel on the Indian Ocean. Finally, he was reached Calicut. It is in India. So children, tell me who discovered sea route in India? Vasco da Gama discovered sea route in India in 1498 AD. So many European traders, Frenches, Dutches, Britishers, to come to India to lead trade activities. Finally, Britishers are to lead a colonialism in our country. They are ruled nearly 190 years from 1757 AD to 1947 AD. In the 2 centuries ruled by the European colonists, that are Britishers ruled in our country. It is very helpful to find the sea routes of the different continent countries. So European traders are to migrated to Europe and Asia. They are collected different raw materials and take away to their motherland, and they are making a different type of in the goods and selling and buying their goods very easily after discoveries of sea routes of the world. The lastly, industrial revolution. The industrial revolution is mostly changed the world trade activities. The industrial revolution occurred mid 17th century and 18th century, between 1750 to 1820s. The first industrial revolution occurred in the world in England. So England is also known as father of the industrial revolution. It is also known as workshop of the world. Which country known as workshop of the world? England is also known as workshop of the world, because Germany, number of coal fields are there. So coal fields are very helpful to generate the thermal electricity to develop their industries. So the industrial revolution first started in the world in England. So England is also known as workshop of the world. After, it will be gradually remaining European countries like Germany, France, Spain, Italy, England. Okay, after it will be gradually after spreading into the remaining countries, it will be very well developed to compare the remaining continent countries. So England is the richest country in the world because the industrial revolution started in the world. It is in European continent. Industrial revolution started time. So many countries are to supply the raw materials, their mother countries. When coming to the industrial revolution, to stop the man-made goods, almost of all goods are made by the missionary goods. So production may be increasing. And also in the market, almost of all goods are very easily available and cheaper cost. In the very less time to produce the lot of crops, very helpful to industrial revolution. Okay. What we learn today? Europe. Europe is the richest and second smallest continent in the world. How many continents? 7 continents. How many oceans? 7 oceans. How many continents? 7 continents and 5 oceans. Here boundaries. What are the boundaries of the Europe? On the north, Arctic Ocean. On the south, Mediterranean Sea. On the east, Ural and Caspian Sea. On the west, Atlantic Ocean are the boundaries of the Europe continent. Important mountains: Alps, Pyrenees and Caucasus Mountains are the most important mountains in the Europe continent. Important places are in France, Ukraine and Russia. Rivers. Important rivers are Dnieper and Volga. Volga is the longest river in the Europe. Peninsular countries are Italy, Norway, Sweden. Islands: Ireland, England. Bay of Biscay, it is in Atlantic Ocean. Climatic seasons. Here climate is very pleasant and very cool entire the year. There are 6 seasons of the Europe continent. Most important crops produced in southern Europe: rye, barley, wheat, beet, oats, etc. to produce in southern Europe in spring season. Next, discoveries. So many sailors are to discover sea route in the world countries. The Italians, Frenches, Dutches are to spend a lot of money for discover the sea routes of the world countries. Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution started in the Europe continent in the 1915s onwards. England is also known as the workshop of the world because the Industrial Revolution occurred in the England. When coming to the Industrial Revolution, to stop the man-made goods, to introduce the missionary goods. Okay, this is the most important topics in this Europe continent. Thank you. Stay home and be safe. Thank you very much. Watch my videos. Thank you.